What's up, home/Lucas here. So today I have 3 easy flips anybody can learn. These 3 flips are special because you can linearly progress to them without just jumping into them. You know, just jumping backwards and talking and be like, oh man, I hope I land this backflip. You know, pay attention. I'm gonna share with you guys these 3 special flips anybody can learn. But you gotta focus. So I'm just gonna start off with number 1. You might have guessed it, the hack flip. The hack flip is special because it helps you get over the fear of going backwards. It helps you get over the fear with doing backwards flips. It is so easy to learn. You can achieve the hack flip by slowly progressing backwards, which in my opinion teaches you that you don't have to just Hail Mary everything and land on your head and end up like one of those guys on Fail Blog. You know what I'm saying? It can help you become aware in the air. I cover how to do this flip in a ton of videos. In my opinion, it's one of the best flips you can learn for going backwards and getting over that fear, especially if you're scared. Now, at the end of the day, obviously it looks a little jank, but it's better than landing on your head. All right, it's just my opinion. Now, I'm not just gonna keep this cheap, I'm gonna give you some cousins of the hack flip. In my opinion, if you're like, yo, that hack flip ain't for me, try the cheat gainer. That's actually a very easy move to learn too. You can learn it similar to the hack flip, putting your hand down over the side, jumping off one leg. If that's more your style, more your feel, if you're like, no, I can't do this hack flip, that's way too sketchy. The cheat gainer is actually very similar to the hack flip and can help you get over going over that backwards feel. So whatever works for you. So the idea is once you get the hack flip or a cheat gainer, if your overall goal is to get over the fear of going backwards, you get to do it so many times, you get to spot yourself basically the entire time during the jump. You build up confidence over time. Before you know it, doing backflips, back tucks, sets, whatever, it becomes second nature. You get to slowly progress without landing on your head 50 times. You know what I'm saying? All right, if you disagree with me, fine, but that's my opinion. Moving on to number 2. So we've been talking about going backwards, let's talk about going forwards. The front flip, in my opinion, can be a very hard, impactful move just to learn right away, especially if you're just gonna send it on the grass. You might, hurt your back, hurt your knees. Honestly, for beginners, I think the side flip, or if you want something, in my opinion, that's a little easier, I call it the side Webster 180. I made a video on this a while ago back in the winter. I called it the easiest flip to learn. But basically it's like a Webster, but a side flip. The reason I believe it's easier than doing a normal Webster or doing a side flip is because you get the benefit of a Webster, which is you get to kick your back leg backing up. So you already get some clearance off the ground before you leave the ground with your other foot. Then the side flip tuck, in my opinion, which you do during this flip, is a lot easier than the forward tuck. And it's a lot more natural for some reason for a lot of people because you go around to the side. It makes this flip a lot easier than either doing a pure side flip, like a punch side flip, or a front flip. So in my opinion, this is one of the easiest flips to learn going, forward, we'll say, even though it's a little sideways. It will unlock, in my opinion, the regular side flip, also build you confidence for doing a front flip, doing a brandy, like a no-handed round off. In my opinion, it's the easiest to learn and it will unlock the most frontward moving flips. Oh, how could I almost forget? Bonus, the aerial. One of the easiest flips to progress into slowly at your own pace. Now I'm talking the tricker style aerial. All you have to do is slowly dip more and more down into it, kicking that back leg up and around. Probably one of the easiest forward sideways-ish flips to progress into slowly at your own pace. All right, number 3. We went back, we went forward, now we're getting into the twisting. In my opinion, the easiest flip to hack, so you can basically start working with something rather than just falling on your face, is the B twist. You can literally hack this move by doing a simple 360 and then turning that into a 540 and then slowly turning that more and more sideways. You don't have to fully commit to this right off the bat, okay? So you don't have to fully go horizontal and land on your butt right off the bat. You can basically stand straight up and then slowly tilt it more and more sideways. I've already made a 360 video on this. Watch it in slow motion, you'll see exactly what's going on. It'll make perfect sense. The reason I think the B twist is probably the best twisting flip to learn for your backyard backflip or tricker, it's probably the easiest flip to throw anywhere. In my opinion, the B twist takes a lot less energy than the back full, a lot less energy than the cork, a lot less energy than the cart full, anything really spinning. But it'll basically unlock the feeling for learning those moves. So like once you get the feeling of the B twist, you'll be able to channel the twisting into other movements like the cork, like the back full. It'll all just click, but it's the easiest to learn because you can learn it milking it. All right, so that's it. Those are the 3 flips. Let me know what you guys thought. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Do I look so smart with this? Peace. You all have a good one. I'll see you all in the next video.